You ready for school?
Yeah.
Nice. Winston,
Yeah.
why don't you have your uniform on?
Because I'm going snowboarding.
You're going snowboarding today, skipping school with Dad? That would be so fun.
Let's go after school.
We're gonna go get what after school?
Starbucks.
Starbucks after school, girls' day.
Can we do and we're gonna have a boys' day.
You're gonna have a boys' day.
My toes aren't done.
You need your toes done. This Monopoly game has been going on for
Ever.
3 or 4 days now. It's fine. Do you like Monopoly? No?
Because it never ends.
Yeah. Do you like it? Yeah?
I got how much properties I own.
Oh, nice. This is Idaho Monopoly.
This is the... We cannot play Fortnite.
Yeah, we tried Fortnite. It was confusing. Gage said he would play with you guys.
This is the bank's money.
Uh-huh.
This is the only one that's not token.
Oh, wow. All right, buddy. Can't wait to hear about snowboarding. You ready to go to school? Sister?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Who's that we hear coming up the stairs? Who is it? Who is it?
He can walk without crutches.
Yeah, he can. He's supposed to be walking without crutches. Oh, caught you with your crutches. How's your leggy?
It's chill.
Leggy leg. We didn't massage it for 2 days, so we need to do that. His Achilles is just really tight. You look cute. Oh, he's doing pretty good, but it's still just really tight and slippery, and you know,
So, guys,
better to be safe than sorry.
You can walk without the crutches.
What?
Yeah, show us how you can walk without the crutches. Good.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, good job, Gage.
Look what I made out of
Receipts?
receipts.
Just on the way home. I love it. That's
Was
creative.
It now? That. I didn't use my mouth.
I know, I figured. Gross.
The Home Depot one tastes you.
That's gross. That's probably not good for you. Let's not do that again, but very creative. Okay, have a good day, you guys. Have a great day. Great days. Everyone is off. The kids are at school, well, except for Winston, who is snowboarding with Casey today. And I just realized it's been a while since I've been home alone. So, what I have planned for today, very exciting. I'm gonna shampoo the carpets. Well, my rugs, actually. I'm gonna shampoo my rugs. This rug that I have in my living room, I love it. I mean, I did love it. I really loved it when I got it. It is a very light rug to have in our main living area, but I wanted to kind of brighten things up in here. Also add a little bit of warmth, so it's like a warmer tan color, because my floors are such a cool tone that I feel like it makes it feel very cold in here. What I really want to do is put all new flooring through my house one day. I don't know when, but one day I would really like to do that. I think I could do it. I don't think it's that hard to like do like that pretty laminate flooring, and my dad said he would help me. So maybe, I don't know, maybe sometime I'll get around to doing that, but that's why I went with this color of rug. I also need to make a rule that no one can wear their shoes in the house, but I just don't know if that will fly, but I need to try. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I also have a lot of cleaning to do. There are just messes everywhere, so clean with me today. Just kidding. I won't put you through the torture of watching me try to clean and organize my house. As promised, Starbucks. Layla got a chai tea frappuccino. I've never tried them before. I have seen them. It's the best thing ever. Do you love it? Do you think it's the best thing ever? Can I have it?
No!
I didn't get that, and I like it. Just kidding. I do really love chai tea. I know that it's probably very sweet for a lot of people, but I love chai tea, and that is good. Also, I did get the rug shampooed. Ah! It doesn't look great yet because I still need to vacuum it. I've just been waiting for it to dry. It's almost dry. You don't need to touch it.
Yeah.
Okay, hands off.
Dry.
You can see like what the rug is supposed to look like right there, because that's been under the couch, and then like where we walk all the time. So I'm really hoping that somehow this is all gonna dry, and I'm gonna vacuum it, and it's gonna be, oh, it's just so clean. But I mean, wishful thinking, right? I also shampooed my rug in the dining room and it looks great, actually. I think that this one shampooed pretty great. It does feel good to have that checked off of my list of things to do. I think that I might also reupholster my bench. I just don't know what color to do. I bought this bench when I bought my table. It was like, I don't know if it was actually a set that was meant to go together, but I bought it at the same time from Z Gallery, and the cushions were completely ripped and destroyed. It looked terrible. And so I reupholstered it a couple years ago myself, and it's held up pretty great for not knowing what I'm doing, but I have noticed like the corners are coming undone, and this fabric has also been really great considering my kids eat on it all the time and they spill on it all of the time. So all those things considered, it has been really great, but I just want to add some color in here. I'm not like a big decorate with color person, just because, I don't know why, I'm boring, I don't know. But I do like adding color. Why are all the lights off? I didn't even notice that. I do like adding like a little bit of color, like this rug has some color. I like the color of plants, I don't know. So anyway, let me know what color you think I should reupholster my bench. I do really love all the colors in this rug. I went with just a neutral color for the bench, and I do like it. I don't want it to be like a statement piece, obviously. It used to be gray. I don't want to do gray because, like I said, my floors are gray. And my floors are kind of like grayish blue. So I try not to do too much blue because I just feel like these tones make it feel really cold in here. So I don't know. Also, I just thought I would go and see what they had, what fabric they had.
This is supposed to be over there, but it's over.
I kind of like it over here though. Do you? Yeah, we switched that around. The bench used to be on the other side of the dining table.
I actually did.
You switched it? Okay. And I kind of like it over on this side a little bit better. While the rugs are drying, I actually just remembered something that I really wanted to make sure to do. I need to meal prep for next week, or like come up with a meal schedule. I don't know what my deal was this week, but I was just such a bum all week. I just didn't feel good, like physically or mentally. And then Braylee actually told me that Monday was a day that like most people say that they're depressed. It's like the most depressing day of the year or something. And I was like, oh, that was me. I don't know. I always kind of get like the winter blues a little bit. And so thank goodness Casey just took over and he cooked dinner every single night. Casey cooks a lot. We all know this. He enjoys cooking. He's good at it. Everyone always likes what he cooks. When I cook, that's not always the case. Not everyone likes what I cook because you do. Yeah. Casey cooks a lot of meat, and he's really good at it. He's just a really good cook. And then sides are always like whatever. But if you have a great main course, then you're set. Anyway, oh, what's happening here? What's happening with your kitchen here? I need to take boxes out to recycling. I have been organizing my pantry. Okay. Why'd you have my phone, girl? I'm just looking for these Clean Simple Eats, or This Is Clean Simple Treats cookbooks because I love them. I haven't followed the plan for a really long time. Actually, since like 2018. So it's been a while. This is what I did. Holy cow, you are loud. This is what I did when I decided that I wanted to lose weight. I just wanted to like change my lifestyle. I know I talked about this not too long ago because I was really wanting to start doing it again. And then just with the busyness of the holidays, I didn't. And that's okay. I don't think that if you're wanting to do something like that, if it's something that's stressful or not something that brings you joy, or you just don't enjoy the journey of it all, that you shouldn't do it. And I was gonna do it and I didn't, and it's okay. I'm just accepting it as that it wasn't part of my journey at that time, and it was fine. Another big thing that I learned is that if you hold on to like guilt or shame or feeling bad about not fully committing to something, it just makes it all way worse. It's better to just be like, it's fine. That's what I needed to do at that time. We got through the holidays. We had fun. We weren't stressed from meal prepping, and it's okay. And now I feel like life has slowed down a little bit. We're going on a cruise in a couple of months, and I just feel ready to meal prep a little bit. I don't know if I'll follow the exact meal plan, but I am going to at least cook dinner. And Oh, I feel so bad. Sometimes I feel so bad that I am not a better cook, but I am going to be next week. Thank goodness Casey doesn't mind. So anyways, long story long, that's what I'm gonna be doing while the rug's dry. Is I'm gonna meal prep. I'm not meal prepping, I'm making a plan for meals. A meal plan. I'm making a meal plan. I'm not meal prepping, I'm making a meal plan.